Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm really excited to share something with you today that combines two things I'm super passionate about: fitness and smart business opportunities. If you've been looking for a way to level up your business or even start one while tapping into the ever-growing fitness market, then stick around because I've got something special for you. Let me ask you this. Have you ever thought about selling a product that's ready-made, in high demand, and can instantly generate profits without requiring you to create everything from scratch? That's exactly what Calisthenics Workout Mastery with PLR offers. And trust me, when I first looked into it, I was blown away by how much value it packs in. So, what is it? Calisthenics Workout Mastery with PLR is a complete, high-quality product tailored for the fitness niche. It's designed for anyone interested in calisthenics, a form of exercise that's all about building strength, flexibility, and mastery using bodyweight. What makes it even better is that this product comes with private label rights, or PLR, which means you can rebrand it, make it your own, and start selling it right away. This isn't just a simple guide. The package includes a professionally written training guide, a full set of stunning graphics, animated banners, high-converting sales copy, a mini-site, social media assets, swipe emails, and even additional resources like cheat sheets and mind maps. Everything is done for you, and it's all designed to save you time while helping you make money. What's exciting is how this taps into a market that's not just popular but evergreen. Fitness is a niche that's always in demand, and with more people looking for ways to exercise at home or without expensive equipment, calisthenics is having a major moment. With this product, you're not just selling another fitness guide, you're offering a transformative solution for people who want to master their fitness goals in a simple, effective way. From a business perspective, this is a dream product. It's fully rebrandable, so you can customize it to match your brand. Whether you're a fitness coach, an online marketer, or just starting out in the health and wellness space, you don't have to worry about creating content, designing visuals, or even writing sales copy. It's all included. This gives you the freedom to focus on marketing and connecting with your audience. What really caught my attention was the sheer quality of the materials. Everything looks professional and polished, and the content itself is backed by research and expert input. This isn't just something you throw out there. It's a product that delivers real value, which means your customers are more likely to trust you and keep coming back for more. If you've been on the fence about diving into the fitness niche or launching a new product, this is your sign to go for it. Calisthenics Workout Mastery with PLR is the perfect opportunity to start strong with a product that's ready to perform and help you profit. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content, and I'll catch you in the next one.